What's the meaning of African American? African American. African American. African American. African American. African American. African American refers to individuals in the United States who are of African ancestry. The term is commonly used to describe Black Americans who are descendants of Africans brought to America as slaves. The term was first used in the late 1980s as a way to replace the outdated term, Negro. Today, African American is widely accepted and is considered more appropriate than other terms that have been used in the past. This term recognizes the unique cultural and historical experiences of Black Americans and their contributions to American society.